Hey guys, this is a little cool simulator about balancing chemical reactions. Your actual assignment will be related to the game, as you'll see in a little bit, but I want to walk you through this introduction part first, and then give you a couple pointers. I was originally gonna put this Monday, but my daughter might have COVID, so we are gonna we're gonna do it today, and then Monday we'll see. So okay, so now, you'll see here, the goal here is to balance this equation, and we'll do three separate ones. You can see them at the bottom, okay? And first notice they're all zeros. Now, we all start, remember when we don't have anything in front, we all assume there'd be one. So I'd start by making everything one, okay? One, 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 one. Now, if this balancing on paper makes more sense, you're free to go balance on paper and then enter in here just to make sure it works, right? And then get it approved. So you work in whatever way. What's cool is it shows you a nice visual. So in N2, you see two N's here bonded together, and H2 is two H's bonded, and NH3 is one N with three H's bonded to it. Now, one problem I notice immediately is we have two N's, so we're going to need definitely another one. So that'll get me two N's to balance that. And then I notice over here, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need 6 of these, and then boom, you see how that works. So it's going to work that same kind of way, okay? And that as you get better at these, they're going to start feeling more and more that easy. Now I want to show you, I'll unbalance them really quick here, which is kind of cool. There's a couple tools just for this part for the demo. They don't actually exist. Unfortunately, in the game, they aren't that nice. But you can, for example, here, you can notice that, oh, I need more N's, so I can do that. But I definitely need more H's now. Oh, I just balanced the H's. So they can do it that way. They can also do it if it makes more sense here. 2 N's this side, 2 N's this side, 6 H's this side. Ours is probably closer to this model right here, if you look at it, right? Because we list out things below. So ours is probably closest to this, which you can do on your paper if you want to. Okay, so if you go, the next thing here I'm going to show you is this one, and we'll go ahead, and it's not balanced, you noticed. So we'll go ahead and put ones everywhere. I'm going to turn the tool back off again, or we can leave it on. So because that might help you understand stuff better. And remember, you can do this stuff on paper if you want, why balancing or whatever. But I like the visuals too. So I notice immediately I see one oxygen here, and there's 2 oxygen there. So I'm going to add another oxygen by adding another H2O. Notice again, I cannot change this number. I can only change the coefficient. That's what it's called. When you see that word around, coefficient, the number in front. So it looks like I now have the same number of O's, but I don't have the number of H's. So if I add this, boom, we're balanced. You get the idea. So it works like that. Okay. So the final one we'll do here is the combustion of methane. And I'll go ahead and do this right here. This one I think is a little bit more tricky. Okay. So part of it is decide where to start with. So I noticed here C's, H's, and O's. And O's would definitely be the last thing I do because no matter what I change, O's are. So I should either start with H's or C's. So noticing my C's are balanced, I'm going to leave C's alone. So we'll start with H's. So it looks like I need more H's on the right side. I only have 4 here. I only have 2 there. So I'll add more H's. Okay, and that way our H's are now balanced, but we have too many O's here, so I'll add another O, and it's balanced. That's how that works. Okay, now these are all easy ones. Your first round of the ones you do by yourself will be this easy too, but then you'll get some harder ones. Let me go ahead and at the bottom down here, you can see there's a game. My thing is popping open. Just 1 second. It's the Zoom meeting thing. So you have this game buttons what I clicked on. And this is the screen you're going to actually submit for me. You'll see in the assignment there directions how to do a screen capture. You're going to complete level 1 and level 2. And I want at least 4 stars on them. Okay. So yeah, so one way to do it is just to make sure you get a really good score is just to double check before you click the submit button. It's to really count back and forth. If you really count back and forth, it's going to work out no matter what. So in that way, so try to get at least 4 stars. I think the questions are the same or every time. So if you screwed up, you could probably do it again and get a higher score. I'm not 100% positive. It might be random. But you're gonna do level 1 and level 2. Level 3, we're gonna hold off. There's a trick that I haven't taught you yet that's gonna make level 3 way easier. Because right now, level 3 will have some of you guys will be able to figure out, but it's way harder than anything we've done. There might be like one question we've done that's hard. I don't think so. So I think it's definitely a hard one. So anyway, you're gonna go ahead and do level 1, level 2, screen grab, submit it. The directions are all there, so it'll hopefully make sense for you. But anyway, hopefully that all makes sense. Let's see, open the directions here. This is the working version. So, but yeah, you'll do this one, you'll put your screenshot here, you'll submit it, and apparently it should be an early start. And you'll submit this. And again, if you get done early and want to start ahead, number 38 will be our next assignment. Okay, that's what we'll be doing Monday. So good luck with this, and I hope you have an excellent weekend. And yeah, thanks, guys.